how to install mods in your Minecraft Aternos server. So let's get started. In order to do that, what you have to do is open Google Chrome or anything or any web browser you like and search for Aternos. Once you do this, just click on this first link that which appears and click on play. Now you have to log into your account or sign up. You can do both ways. Then what you have to do is create a server, or you can just go with your previously created server. Once you are in your server, what you have to do is you have to change your server software. In order to do that, scroll down a bit and here you'll find software. Just click on this change button and click on forge. Now find your game version. For example, I will download this for 1.2 1.11 and now just click on install button. Once you see this tick button, this means forge has been installed in your server. Now what you have to do is click on this mods button, and after you do this you have to search any mod you want to install in your server. For now I will just go with journey map. Just click on this and you will find game versions of your mod. Make sure you install the mod version same as your game version, otherwise it won't work properly. So just click on this little download button and it will show you a tick sign. Once you do this, just click on this server button again and start your server. After starting your server, your mod will be installed in your server and you will be able to play the mod you installed. This is how you can do it, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.